of more fun and learning. I'm Erna, your science teacher, and I'm very excited to bring you today's lesson about dissolving. Keep watching because at the end of lesson, you are expected to identify the components of a solution, conclude the concentration and solubility. So prepare yourself because we explore the wonderful of science.
Okay, now we're going to talk about how scientists distinguish solutions. Let's say, for example, I mix up 3 solutions. I've got about 50 milliliters in each of these containers.
Substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances, and substances that doesn't dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Do all substances dissolve in water? Let us see by this activity. We need sand, salt, sugar.
In this video, we're going to learn about factors that affect solubility. Try this experiment at home, or at least think about what would happen if you did try this experiment. Take some sand and stir it into a glass of water, and what happens? Well, the sand just kind of settles to the bottom. Now try taking some salt and stirring that into a glass of water. What happens this time?
Some substances dissolve when you mix them with water. When a substance dissolves, it might look like it has disappeared, but in fact it has just mixed with the water to make a transparent, see-through liquid called a solution. Substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Certain conditions like heat can help some substances dissolve faster in water. Salt, for example, will dissolve quicker in hot water than in cold water. The rate of dissolving refers to how quickly a solute dissolves in a solvent. The rate at which a substance dissolves can be affected by 3 factors, including temperature of the solvent, the solution is stirred or not, and particle size. The first factor is temperature. Temperature can affect particles and the speed at which substances dissolve. Heating up the water will speed up the dissolving process. The added energy in hot water causes water molecules to vibrate and move faster to speed up dissolution. The second factor is stirring. Stirring can also increase the rate in which substances dissolve. When you stir a solute, the substance is distributed and exposed to more surface area, which accelerates the time it takes to dissolve. The stirring motion also increases kinetic energy, which increases the temperature of the solution. The third factor is particle size. A solute will also dissolve faster if the size of the grains is small. For a given amount of solute, smaller particles have a greater surface area. With greater surface area, there can be more contact between the solvent and solute particles, causing it to dissolve faster. Other phenomena that relate with dissolving is solubility. What is solubility? Solubility is the degree to which a substance dissolves into a solvent. Things that dissolve in water are called soluble substances, and things that will not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Other phenomena that relate with dissolving is concentration. What is concentration? The concentration of a substance is the quantity of a substance dissolved in another substance. It refers to the measure of how crowded the solute particles are.